Welcome to the first episode of Radcliffe's new virtual series, Bringing Medical Knowledge to Life. I'm David Ramsey and I'm joined by Liam O'Neill. We're the co-founders of Radcliffe Group, innovators in cardiovascular medical education. With an ever-growing number of trials, studies, publications and guideline updates, keeping healthcare practitioners abreast is more challenging than ever. How we consume medical education is evolving fast, and established long-term models have been disrupted. Technological evolution, pandemics, global security, and economic uncertainty have all had an impact. In this series, we'll focus on a number of challenges encountered to best reach and engage healthcare professionals with the highest quality education, and crucially, how Radcliffe can support you in overcoming those challenges. This first episode will explore how to reach those who don't attend live events. Liam, what trends are we seeing in international congress attendance?
Well, there's been some recent research that suggests that conference attendance is 35% down post-pandemic than was seen pre-pandemic. We've also done a user survey that suggests that 60% of our database is actually intending to travel less to live meetings post-pandemic.
And why do you think that is?
I think there's a number of factors. COVID hasn't totally gone away, so getting sign-off at clinics and hospitals to attend live meetings has become more difficult. Also, the cost for the clinicians to attend these live meetings has gone up quite significantly with the increase in travel costs, accommodation costs, and in some cases, the cost to actually buy a ticket for these conferences. And also, I think for some clinicians, because the pandemic was a great driver for the adoption of online medical education, it's actually become their preferred means of engaging with conference material.
So a lot of doctors during the pandemic were telling us how keen they were to get back to live meetings for networking and just to get back together again. Are we still seeing this?
I think absolutely. I think clinicians really want to network with their peers. Our survey results say that's the number one reason they attend live events. However, what the pandemic has done is accelerated online education, and a number of doctors are now preferring to engage with medical education and live events in a virtual setting.
I totally agree, Liam. While many are keen to get back together in person, there's a huge appetite for the convenience of online education. Let's take a look at how we at Radcliffe use our expertise to tackle this and reach those that don't attend.
With on-site event attendance below the pre-pandemic peak, yet potential audiences greater than ever, being able to reach healthcare professionals free from the constraints of geography is more important than ever. A client engaged us to discuss how to best leverage the reach of their 2-day on-site transcatheter heart valve summit. To maximise the impact of events, the power of hybrid is unparalleled.
The summit brought together a network of interventional cardiologists to discuss the latest advances in structural heart disease. Focused on guideline updates, procedural outcomes and committal alignment, the client sought to curate a programme centred on presentations, debate and live cases. The aim? To amplify interactive and impactful education to healthcare professionals globally.
Producing any event requires teamwork, with everyone knowing their roles and being able to adapt quickly. Hybrid events are no different, but with the added complexity of having crew, presenters, and audience members all across the world. To enable real-time collaboration between locations, we implemented ultra-low latency video streams and comm systems for all crew members, the on-site team, case operators, and our master control room here in the UK. Our video systems and network infrastructure provided a high quality and stable broadcast, optimizing the experience for client and audience alike.
Radcliffe assembled a core team including a project manager, graphic designer, marketing lead, and a video production crew to bring the hybrid concept to life. Starting with the discovery phase, we aligned on client goals to ensure our designs, voice, and communications were best optimized to engage an audience. We structured an on-site team to oversee the management and filming, in addition to a team in our master control room to produce the broadcast. First, we needed to build an audience.
The goal was to build a large global audience, which would be achieved by engaging and exciting healthcare professionals long before the event. It was crucial to create a full planned experience for the prospective audience with a unique event registration page. We then created both traditional digital adverts and social media friendly video clips with 3 influential faculty members to communicate the educational value of the event. Our marketing comprised web banners, a series of emails to our community and coordinated social campaign. Once we had built this engaged community of registrants, the challenge was now to ensure this translated to a large virtual audience for the live event. To ensure high conversions, we coordinated a reminder campaign via email and text message an hour before live.
For us, it was vital that our audience, both on-site and virtual, had the same experience of being part of the event and connected to one another. They could interact with other attendees, vote in polls, and engage in live two-way discussions with the faculty on stage or the operators performing their cases, regardless of their location.
Our marketing function works closely with our web development team to ensure full real-time analytics throughout the duration of the campaign. Thanks to the insights provided by over 250,000 healthcare practitioners in our community, we apply well-designed algorithms to reach the right people.
This event successfully engaged on-site and virtual audiences alike, bridged the geographical divide and delivered the very best in cardiovascular education.
The hybrid broadcast amplified the reach of the programme, educating healthcare professionals globally. Beyond this, the on-demand hosting of the sessions post-event transformed a live experience into one with enduring educational legacy. Ultimately, if our client is very happy and we've met our own exacting standards in delivery, then we are happy. But we can't stop there. Every event is unique, and how healthcare practitioners consume medical education is evolving. Therefore, our goal is to first ensure that our events match this evolution, how we engage, broadcast, deliver education to a global audience. But beyond this, through innovation and creativity, we seek to forge new standards in event delivery, reaching more of those who can't attend, to ultimately support the most meaningful improvements in patient care.
That was a great example of how our team collaborates to deliver high-quality medical education with a great user experience to a virtual audience.
Absolutely, Dave. Now, what we've seen is time-pressured healthcare professionals have come to expect the flexibility of hybrid. Only 9% of our survey recipients said they thought a live-only approach was the best solution. The others clearly recognise the importance of being able to access events, both live and on demand, to support their professional development.
Yeah, I totally agree. Thanks so much for joining us. Get in touch to find out how Radcliffe can help you reach those that don't attend.